So firstly, hi Pratik, hi Shreya, welcome to Zoom. Great to have you on our channel. सबसे पहले स्कैम 1992 का को काफी अच्छे रिव्यूज मिले हैं. People are loving the show. ट्रेलर कुछ दिनों पहले आया था, तभी से there was this whole buzz that was created because the story itself is so intriguing of Harshad Mehta, and there was no movie or show made before on the whole story. So people were very excited for the show to come out, and now that it's out finally, काफी अच्छे reviews मिल रहे हैं. I want to start with Pratik because you're playing the main character of Harshad Mehta. कैसा रहा है response अभी तक on the show also and on your performance also? I want to ask you क्या comments मिले हैं आपको अभी तक?
बहुत ही अच्छे कमेंट्स मिले हैं, लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया है और ये कैरेक्टर मतलब लोगों को बहुत अपनापन दिख रहा है इस कैरेक्टर में. जो मुझे सबसे ज्यादा कमेंट जिस पे मिले हैं वो लोगों को ये लग रहा है कि बहुत ही ह्यूमन एस्पेक्ट इस कैरेक्टर का जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से निकल के आया है. वो लोगों को ज्यादा पसंद आ रहा है, ज्यादा छू रहा है. जो हमने सोचा था कि यार ये पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव है ये पता नहीं. तो हमने चाहा था कि हम इसको ऐसे ही अप्रोच करेंगे, पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव है हमें नहीं पता, ऑडियंस को खुद डिसाइड करना है.
ओके.
तो आई गेस वो कमेंट बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी मुझे जब मैंने देखा. बहुत सारे मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे जब लोगों ने लिखा कि यार हमें पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि इस पे गुस्सा करें या इसके प्रति सिंपथाइज करें. ये मतलब अच्छा आदमी था बुरा आदमी था, और ये कमेंट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
राइट. और लाइक ऑब्वियसली मैंने भी कुछ कमेंट्स पढ़े लोगों के, उसमें लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ही लाइक हर्षद मेहता वाज एन इंटेलिजेंट गाय बट ही डिड नॉट यूज हिज इंटेलिजेंस इन अ राइट वे परहैप्स, ऐसे कुछ कमेंट्स. So, what did you do to get into the skin? Because I'm sure for you also, आपको कुछ reference point नहीं था ऐसा. Like obviously you must have read about him, but this character has not been played by anyone before. This is the first time I think कोई play कर रहा है.
It's the second time, no? There was a film or a show.
Okay.
Film. Yeah, मतलब so loosely based. So there were 2-3 things which
exact I think जो story जो आप बता रहे हैं वैसे I think किसी ने बताया नहीं है आज तक. So how was it for you to get into the skin of Harshad Mehta, and आपने क्या कुछ किया to get into his character? कुछ बताएंगे?
ये थोड़ा पूरा प्रोसेस ना थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग भी था, इंटरेस्टिंग भी था, टिपिकल भी था. इसलिए क्योंकि आज तक मैंने थिएटर में ऐसे बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स क्रिएट किए. सबकी अपनी थियरीज थी उसके बारे में कि वो ऐसा क्रुक था, उन्होंने ये किया, उन्होंने ये कर दिया. और फिर जितने रिसर्च मटेरियल सब देखो, सब जगह पर इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन स्कैम कि ये घफला किया, ऐसा कर दिया. तो इनके जो ह्यूमन एस्पेक्ट की बात थी, उस इन सब मटेरियल को पढ़ के जान के उसमें से ह्यूमन एस्पेक्ट निकाल के एक कैरेक्टर को जिंदा करना वो थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग था, चैलेंजिंग था. एंड दैट्स हाउ वी हैव अप्रोच्ड दिस कैरेक्टर कि ये सब पढ़ने के बाद सब भूल जाते हैं. अब सिर्फ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को याद रखते हैं और न्यूट्रली इस कैरेक्टर को अप्रोच करते हैं. एक आदमी है, उसने ये किया. अब आप सोचो वो सही था गलत था, क्या सिचुएशन थी, उस सिचुएशन में आप क्या करते. It is like that,
Right. Shreya, can you tell something about your character, and also how was it like आपको before? Obviously the script must have got you excited, but what did you know before you read the script about Harshad Mehta and the real life character that he was? What made you jump into this project right away?
Oh, what made me jump into this project was Hansal Mehta, the director. I've been a huge fan of his work.
Yes.
Yeah, because I mean Aligarh, City Light, Shahid, Umerta, I'm a huge fan of his work. And again, when you have someone like Hansal who goes to bat for people like me and Pratik, and who believes in you and gives you like a playground, कि ये मैदान है आप जाके खेलो. It's indescribable really. So to get that amount of respect and freedom from a director of his stature is pretty cool. And it's fascinating the reactions that we're getting, because some people feel sad when Harshad is going through trouble. Some people feel like, "Nahi, yaar, he's a crook, good." And some people are like, "Nahi, why is Suchita like ruining his life? Let him like get money, let him be happy." So we're getting like varied reactions, which shows that maybe we did what we wanted to do.
Right. But did you guys expect इतना overwhelming response? Because like एक दिन में ऐसे हो गया कि सब लोग सब लोग, everyone is talking about the series, you know. I also read reviews and I was like, and I'd seen the trailer and I was like, this show looks good, and then suddenly everyone starts talking good things about it. So did you guys expect कि इतना, you know, इतने लोग साथ में अच्छा response देंगे क्या? What for, Shreya, if you want to.
It's funny, we were talking about this literally last night, Pratik and I, क्योंकि जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, we knew how big this opportunity was और कितना important है हमारे लिए, हमारे careers के लिए. तो हमारा सिर्फ एक ही विश था, यार let people see the show. पसंद ना पसंद तो दूर की बात है, वो बोनस है. Let them just see the show.
Yeah.
Right.
मतलब हम लोगों ने यही, देखो एक चीज तो थी दिमाग में कि इतने एक्सपीरियंस लोग जुड़े हुए हैं इस पूरी मेकिंग में, और इतना इन डेप्थ रिसर्च हुआ है. मतलब 550 पेज की स्क्रिप्ट और इतना इन डेप्थ रिसर्च हुआ है. हंसल सर इज मेकिंग इट, आई मीन अपलॉज टीम, स्टूडियो नेक्स्ट टीम, they are backing the entire project, they are making the entire, so अच्छा तो होगा.
Right.
पर इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा ये मैंने पर्सनली, मतलब I never anticipated कि ऐसा कुछ हो जाएगा कि ओवरनाइट चीजें बदल जाएंगी, मतलब लोगों को इतना पसंद आएगा. और या देखो एक चीज तो ये भी थी कि कहीं हम कभी कभार ना ऑडियंस को थोड़ा अंडर एस्टिमेट कर लेते हैं कि यार ये बहुत टेक्निकल है, लोगों को समझ में आएगा कि नहीं, यू नो, उतना इंटरेस्ट हो पाएगा.
We thought that,
मतलब ये बिंज वॉच कर लेंगे कि यार ये धीरे धीरे एक एक एपिसोड देखने वाली चीज है, पर जैसे रिलीज हुआ उसी दिन लोगों ने 9-10 एपिसोड देख लिया. तो मतलब वो मेरे लिए भी समझना ऐसा था कि मतलब ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं. यू, आई मीन, वी शुड नेवर अंडरएस्टिमेट द ऑडियंस.
Awesome. Also, I want to ask you, एक और movie आ रही है which is based on a similar subject. Like you must be aware of it also, the Big Bull. So comparison होंगे, and like I don't know, like for you guys, it's a plus point that it came out before, and now people have already loved the show. But when you got to know the entire team that, you know, Abhishek Bachchan's movie is also kind of based on the similar subject, perhaps. What was your reaction, Harshad, also as some Pratik, as someone who is playing Harshad, आपका क्या reaction था when you heard the news?
मतलब पहले मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि यार सेम सब्जेक्ट पे जब पता है तो वापस क्यों कर रहे हैं, मतलब ऐसा, यू नो, इट्स, आई मीन, इट्स नो पॉइंट डूइंग दैट सेम थिंग. आई स्पोक टू हंसल सर आल्सो कि सर यार ये तो कमाल हो जाएगा. आई मीन ये ऐसा तो it might hurt anyone, you know, that way कि यार ये एक चीज देख लोगे तो देखने वालों को भी मजा नहीं आए. But then he said a very beautiful thing which I then realized when he spoke to me. These two are very different medium. Now web series gives you that freedom to, you know, get inside the story and then tell you in detail, because there is no set format. एक एपिसोड का लेंथ भी सेट करने की जरूरत नहीं. 26 मिनट भी हो सकता है, 1 घंटा भी हो सकता है. And with that
जो
freedom,
कि है हमारे शो में ऐसे ही है.
ऐसा ही है. And with that freedom you can explore everything in detail.
Right.
Also the other part is that this is the format where audience get to be with the character for a longer time. So हर एक minute चीजों को वो relate कर सकते हैं, उनके through journey खुद भी travel कर सकते हैं. Whereas film is a different medium. उनका story telling अलग ही होना है. Same subject भी, मतलब story telling का format ही बदल जाएगा. They'll have to deal with within those 2 hours. So there is no comparison as such, is what he said. And then when I realized, which is true.
How much is this show going to help you too? Because as actors, you know, appreciation मिलना audiences से, critics से काफी important होता है, I think, for your career as an actor to grow for you also. So how is this show going to help you? Shreya, we have seen you in movies, but the recognition that this show has got and your character will be getting after this is, I'm sure, much more, and something that, you know, you as an actor, you must have always wanted. So कितना help करेगा ये show, and इसके बाद क्या plans है, Shreya?
Yeah, Sandesh, I don't know how to answer this question, यार, क्योंकि we hope कि this will help us and change us and you know, take us to places that we didn't think. क्योंकि like Pratik said earlier कि हमारा expectation भी ये show, like we knew that we could be proud of this show, that we made something that we can be proud of, पर इतना overwhelming response आएगा ये कभी सोचा भी नहीं था. And यहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे वो भी पता नहीं है. I mean, like we hope that we'll go to interesting places, different places, rich places. I mean, in terms of character. Not in terms of how that word came out, but just in that we'd be able to explore different opportunities and different characters and different roles and different genres. So hopefully, yes, we all will benefit from Scam 1992, the cast and crew both. And yeah.
और हमने बहुत वेट किया है इसके लिए, मतलब मैं पर्सनली मेरी बात भी करूं, and I'm sure श्रेया का भी सेम जर्नी है, is whatever that I know. So I had been around from quite some time now, not maybe in mainstream, but मैं 12-15 सालों से थिएटर करता हूँ.
Theater, yes.
And I do a lot of regional cinema also from last 7-8 years. So मतलब यहाँ आने के लिए बहुत वेट किया है. अब उसे मेहनत बोलो, प्रिपरेशन बोलो, जो भी बोलो, वो भी बहुत किया है. And this was there in back of the mind कि एक बार ऐसा कुछ मौका मिलेगा where you know we'll be able to prove to ourselves, not to the world.
Right.
Correct.
Because it strengthens your faith in your craft कि यार मतलब बराबर है कि नहीं, जो सोचते थे वो हो रहा है, जैसे मैं सोचता हूँ वैसे वो ट्रांसलेट होके लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है कि नहीं.
Right. Is any instance that you recall today that you know perhaps made you doubt in the past that should I continue with this or should I not in the initial stages of your career? So if you can share some anecdotes or any instances.
Pratik,
you were waiting for me? Okay, I know.
Yeah, go for it.
Initial days, I'm talking about 2004, 5, 6.
Okay.
Where I started going for auditions, I started searching कि कहीं कुछ हो रहा है क्या, where I can fit, I can you know showcase कि भाई इतना आता है, please check, please see. और तब जिस हिसाब का रिजेक्शन मिलता था, उससे बहुत डाउट होता था कि यार ये सिर्फ मेरे मन में तो नहीं है ना कि मैं कर पाऊंगा, शायद वो लोगों को दिख ही नहीं रहा है, या तो if they are right, I don't know, मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. तो ये शुरुआत का टाइम तो था ही वैसा, which I'm sure everybody goes through it.
Right.
But then theater happened. Theater के साथ साथ करते करते ऐसा हो रहा था कि यार वहां पर तो लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है, यहाँ पर ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. फिर कहीं कोई बोलता था कि यार ब्रिलियंट, कहीं कोई बोलता है कि you don't know. तो मतलब you constantly ask question to yourself. But then slowly I've realized that nothing is absolute. It's all relative. तो वो change होते ही जाता है. And as an actor, because we are human, you know, we are मतलब वो skill set जो है ना हमारा, वो emotions है. हमें emotion ही बेचना होता है. No, you have to be emotional.
Right.
So I guess just keep that emotion alive within you, and then keep at it, be around, stick around. That works for both of us, I guess. Yeah, I mean, Shreya.
Yeah, because what he said is right. I feel like if you look at yourself as a student, कि कभी you know ये set नहीं होगा as an actor, I feel like you will never feel कि यार अब हो गया, मैंने कर दिया था, बहुत phenomenal काम किया, सब ठीक है. I don't think we'll ever feel that. So this is going to be a constant process about working on yourself and proving to yourself कि हाँ, okay, this type of role can I do, okay, this type of genre can I do, this type of like. So it's always going to be something that we will never be on stable ground, which I think excites us.
In terms of opportunities, क्या आपको ऐसे कभी लगा कि you know like I'm not getting like you know like perhaps a role that you thought you would have wanted to play and you didn't get the opportunity to try for it? Do you think there is
so many times?
Yeah. Do you think there's
this is regular? Yeah, this is regular. I mean, we can't even discuss anecdotes and examples because this is the like it's a must do on your list of being an actor. It's 9 times out of 10 only that happens.
Right.
मतलब
one time
ऐसा
it
होता है
doesn't
कि
happen, it
कुछ
becomes
देखते
Scam
देखते
1992.
और कुछ देखते देखते भी ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये मैं कर सकता हूँ यार, मतलब एक मौका मिल जाता, मतलब I want to do this.
There's this whole ongoing discussion which keeps happening about star kids and outsiders and everything. So that is what like access जो होता है एक for good projects. Only star kids get and outsiders have to struggle and you know get to a point to be in a project ऐसा. So वो कितना real है is what I want to know. And
okay, so I will answer this in a broad stroke situation, because I won't say this in particularly to our industry, because yes, of course it does. I will say India is a very dynastic type of a people and type of country. We are very legacy based. So that happens in every industry where, you know, it's a family related thing. You have access with your surname, with your place of birth, with your class, your caste. There are so many socioeconomic structures to this question itself that it happens everywhere. We as a people think very dynasty and legacy based.
Right.
So it is only natural that, of course, it happens in our industry also. It does.
Pratik, if you want to add anything.
Yeah, in fact, I also feel that this kind of things are happening all across in every industry. I have not seen anybody becoming MD of somebody else's company. Like managing director, मेरा बेटा ही बनेगा यार. मतलब it's given, right? Even if somebody is from IIM, IIT or whatever,
right,
he will be working under him.
Right.
But so these things happen. But as you correctly said, that there are ample opportunities for everybody. Not that today I'm here and I'm saying this for the sake of it, but all this while I have gone through this. Maybe there are smaller opportunities, bigger opportunities. You have to select. You have to be choosy. You have to take that risk to say no or to say yes to something. And you constantly have to search for it.
Correct. We're not defending the practice. Obviously, it's a horrible thing, and it sucks that people have to struggle harder when you not struggle. I hate that word. But people have to work harder and look for places that they don't normally get access to, and it takes a lot longer, and it is harder. We're not defending it, but yes, it happens. Of course, it happens.
पर जब खुद रास्ता ढूंढते हैं ना, तो उसका satisfaction भी बहुत interesting है.
Correct.
ये कुछ नहीं था, पता ही नहीं था. मैं तो यार टीचर्स के फैमिली से आता हूँ, किसी का कोई लेना देना नहीं मेन स्ट्रीम से. सब संगीतकार और सब घर के, मतलब वैसा वाला माहौल था. उसमें से उठ के सूरत से यहाँ से यहाँ करते, मतलब when you create your own path, कि ये करेंगे करते करते कुछ होता है, तो at the end of the day you feel very satisfied with whatever that you achieve.
Because it's on your own merit, it's on your own 2 feet.
Correct.
There's
satisfaction. Right. It's great to hear you two, and it's amazing to see कि आपके शो को इतना अच्छा response भी मिला है. Congratulations and thank you for talking to us, and all the best for all the upcoming work that we will be seeing you two in. Hope you get all the praises and appreciations in the future as well.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Sandesh. Thanks a lot.